But the coding does not end there. If we go to the first 19 chapters of the Quran, just the first 19, and then we take the tetragrammaton there for Yod Hey, Waw Hey, 13161, which comes out to be 13161 for Yod, and then for Ha, it's 8985. For Ha, it's 8985. 8985 plus 8985 plus, and the wow. What was the wow? So the wow in the first 19 chapters occurs 1,000 or 13,500 times. 13,500 times. 13,500 times. You'll see we get 44,631 in the first 19 chapters of the Quran, which again is divisible by 19, which is 2,349. So we saw that the tetragrammaton occurs a multiple 19 times in the chapter where the 19 miracles declared in, and a multiple 19 times in the entire Quran, a multiple times in the first 19 chapters. And you'll see that it also occurs a multiple of 19 times, the tetragrammaton, in the last 19 chapters of the Quran as well. And we could go ahead and show this last proof. So the last 19 chapters are from 96 to 114. So the tetragrammaton is 214, 154, and 143. I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but basically, yeah, 214 for yeah, 154 for ha, and 143 for wow. So let's go and add those up again. So we had 214 for yeah, and then we had 154 for ha, and then we had 143 for wow, and 154 again for ha. And you'll see that this is also a perfect multiple of 19. 19 times 35. So we could clearly see that in the Quran, God is using this number as a means to increase people's faith. Christians lose faith. And like I said earlier, the only chapter in which Yahweh occurs a multiple of 19 times in is in the book of Zechariah, which is also the 38th book, 19 times 2 book. So Zechariah is a 19 times 2 book, and it has 19 times 7 mentions of Yahweh. And this is the only occurrence of a multiple of 19 Yahwehs out of any book. The book of Genesis does not have a multiple of 19. This book does not have a multiple of 19. Neither does Leviticus, Numbers, Deuteronomy. However, when we come to the 19 times 2 book of the Bible, Zechariah, we find that this is the only one that has a multiple of 19 Yahwehs, 19 times 7.